Alright, well today is departure day for me from this spot. Been out in Ocotillo Wells and it's been a good spot to be around this time. It's been very few campers. We've just had a few neighbors. I think probably a total of maybe 6 or 7. We're all spread out. The rangers came in, like I mentioned before, and separated us off so we can be no closer than 2 spots away from each other. Fortunately, me and Kelly are parting ways today. We both have business to take care of, and it's definitely a sad day for me. So I'm going to sign off and say my goodbyes with her. Yeah, kind of weird times, but I got to get on the road, so the adventure continues. Well, this is the camp spot here. We're gonna call this home for a little bit. Kelly was able to join me. We got a nice little spot here right on the Kern River. Beautiful. Nice to see the sun, although it is a little misty out. These gray clouds over here might drop some rain on us. Digging it. This is gonna work. This is gonna be our little quarantine area for the next couple weeks. Yeah. Okay, well, we are currently on BLM land here in California. I thought this was going to be a good place to hunker down for a little bit, but the rangers are sweeping through here and saying this area is closed for camping and recreation. So we asked if there was anywhere else we could go. Is national forest available? He said all federal land is unavailable for public use. We're reading different on websites currently, but of course that came from the mouth of a ranger. So we don't know what we're going to do. We're going to get in our vans and go try to find something else. And who knows what's going to happen. We'll see. Just want to keep you guys in the loop. Well, we're just going to try a forest road here and try to avoid the established free camping areas in the national forest. Okay, we think we found some public land here. We're gonna do our best to stick it out for the night, see how it goes. It's pretty up here, that's for sure. Not as many trees, but it's nice. Well, this was it. This was our overnight spot after being displaced by BLM Ranger. We are in the Sequoia National Forest. It's actually quite a beautiful spot. Oh, it's never fun saying goodbye. I feel like we've parted ways a few times in the last couple months, but this one's probably going to be for a little while. I'm going to let Kelly try to get out of here first. We were on a pretty good incline all night. We didn't get a good night's sleep. Kind of worried about whether or not it was okay to camp here since we got booted off the last spot. Someone did come in about 10:30 last night and headlights shined in the windshield, but I think it was just someone else looking for a place to camp as well. Let's see if I can get out of here. Does pretty good off-road. It's got good clearance. Not clearance, clearance. Away we go.
Bye, buddy. Hey. No.
Well, I managed to find a dirt access road here that's heading into some public land. I'm hoping there's a pull-off that I can camp and spend some time here. I'm stocked up. As I looked up online this morning, anything that it's an established campground, meaning they have tables, fire pits, vault toilets, is now closed. So I need to find something just dispersed. They say that that is fair game right now. And this looks pretty sandy. Huh. Might have to unload the trail bike. See what I can find here. Okay, so this spot down where I'm at has no cell signal. I kind of want to be camped somewhere with the cell signal to stay in touch with friends and family and of course post some videos. So I went and scouted on foot. I think I found a spot. There is one little soft spot of sand and then it turns really hard pack. So I'm hoping it all goes well. I'm going to line myself up so I can take a straight run at it through the soft stuff. Should be in the clear, and then it's a pretty steep climb up some of this lava rock type stuff. Oh, I'm kind of playing in some soft stuff here that I probably shouldn't be. Just to get turned around. Okay, here's the soft stuff. No problem. pretty hard pack here, so we should be good. If this all works out, this will be my little quarantine spot. Okay, call that a spot. Well, this was my potential shelter-in-place spot, but I don't think it's going to work out. The cell signal is not good enough here, and I'm not going to be seeing the sun until probably around noon because I'm right behind this hillside here. Sun is coming up from this direction here. So if I go down the road a little bit, there's some more public land on this side of the freeway. I'll have a better cell signal, and honestly I don't know the technicality of this spot, and like last night I couldn't sleep because I was worried if someone was going to come up here and tell me that I can't be camped here. So I feel like I need to find a slightly more secure spot. Although this is seemingly kind of ideal, I mean there's nobody else around me, it'd be a good place to shelter in place and kind of self-quarantine, since that is kind of what is being asked of us. Tried down in here and there's just no cell signal. I want to be somewhere where I'm able to stay in communication. So I'm going to go up the road a little bit and see what I can find. It looks like there is some public land there. So I'm going to try to, again, just keep my distance from others. Fortunately, I have not been having to do much of that. I haven't even had to stop at a gas station for a while. So still stocked up plenty on food and water. I'm going to probably roll out of here pretty quick, make a little bit of coffee, have a little breakfast snack, and then move on. But this was it. This was the overnight spot here, the lava pit. This is totally lava rock here.